नमस्कार। पार्ट 2 में आपका स्वागत है। पिछली वीडियो में आपने लगना फ्रेजेस सीखे थे। इस वीडियो में थोड़े और लगना फ्रेजेस सीखिए। तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। अगला फ्रेज प्यास लगना है। प्यास लगना, दैट मीन्स टू फील थर्स्टी। मुझे प्यास लग रही है। मुझे प्यास लग रही है is a common way to say I am thirsty. I am thirsty right now, which means I am feeling thirsty. That's why I have used the continuous tense here. मुझे प्यास लग रही है मतलब I am feeling thirsty. Same goes with भूख लगना. भूख लगना मतलब to feel hungry. हम दोनों को भूख लग रही है। हम दोनों को भूख लग रही है मतलब we both feel hungry. Both of us are hungry. Both of us are feeling hungry. If you're wondering why I have ko in this sentence, the reason is that sometimes when you have lagna in the sentence and you are talking about physical sensations, that can mean that you may be talking about feeling hot or cold, or even some physical ailments, some diseases, or even emotions. You must add ko in the beginning, either with the pronoun or the noun. That is, if you have hum, it should be हमको. If it's a name, then it should be शिवम को or any name. So हम दोनों को और हमको भूख लग रही है means we are feeling hungry. हम भूख लग रही है is wrong. अगला phrase डर लगना है. डर लगना. डर is an emotion. That means we need को in this sentence. शिवम को कुत्तों से डर लगता है. शिवम को कुत्तों से डर लगता है. शिवम लड़के का नाम है. कुत्तों से, when I add o, that means I am talking about dogs, the plural word. कुत्तों से, from dogs or of dogs, डर लगता है. He is afraid of dogs. अगला फ्रेज गर्मी लगना है. गर्मी लगना. गर्मी मतलब hot. गर्मी लगना, again you are talking about physical sensation. So गर्मी के मौसम में दिल्ली में बहुत गर्मी लगती है. गर्मी के मौसम में दिल्ली में बहुत गर्मी लगती है. Let me first explain what the sentence means and then I will answer your question, which is why is there no ko in this sentence. गर्मी के मौसम में मतलब in the summer season. गर्मी का मौसम is summer season. गर्मी के मौसम में in summer season. दिल्ली में which is Delhi, in Delhi, बहुत गर्मी very hot लगती है. We feel heat in summer season in Delhi. The reason for not inserting the word ko in this sentence is simply because I have not used any pronoun here. That is, I'm not saying that we feel hot or they feel hot. There's no pronoun as such. If you complete the sentence by adding a pronoun, then you need to append ko. Like, हमको गर्मी के मौसम में दिल्ली में बहुत गर्मी लगती है. और यू कैन से लोगों को, टू से पीपल, लोगों को गर्मी के मौसम में दिल्ली में बहुत गर्मी लगती है. बट इट्स अ जनरल थिंग. वी नो, इट इज अंडरस्टूड that we know that we are talking about people in general. So you don't have to add logon ko or like humko. It's implied, it's understood. And this is the reason I've not added ko. But you can, and the sentence won't be wrong. When you say aapko garmi lag gayi hai, then you probably are talking about loo. That is the heat stroke. And the better word, the better sentence is मुझे लू लग गई है. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं और अगला फ्रेज देखते हैं. अगला फ्रेज ठंड लगना है. ठंड लगना. द ऑपोजिट ऑफ गर्मी लगना इज ठंड लगना और सर्दी लगना. बोथ ठंड एंड सर्दी मीन कोल्ड. द सेंटेंस इज क्या कल रात आपको सर्दी लग रही थी? टू मीन वर यू फीलिंग कोल्ड लास्ट नाइट? Were you feeling cold last night? Kal raat is yesterday night, last night, previous night. Next word is aapko. You need ko because again you're talking about the sensation. Sardi lag rahi thi, to mean feeling. And it's a yes or no question, so you must begin with aap. Whether you have were, did, does, do, will, any modal verb in the beginning, any verb, any helping verb in the beginning in English, you must have kya in the beginning if it's a close-ended question. अगला एग्जाम्पल है, आपको सर्दी लग गई है. आपको सर्दी लग गई है. Here it means a little different. When you say आपको सर्दी लग रही है, मतलब you are feeling cold. But when you say आपको सर्दी लग गई है, that means you're talking about a completed action. Because गई does not mean went. It denotes a completed action. Chills have already been felt. Now you've caught it. The previous stage is done. It's over. This is the next stage. Now you've caught a cold or even the flu. You've caught cold and flu. Hence, आपको सर्दी लग गई है. खैर, moving on. खैर is anyway. Moving on. अगला phrase है चोट लगना. चोट लगना. चोट is injury. चोट लगना मतलब to be injured. Sentence देखिए. आग से मत खेलो, चोट लग जाएगी. आग से मत खेलो, चोट लग जाएगी. मतलब with fire, don't play, you'll get injured or you'll be wounded. चोट लगना is same as चोट लग जाना. I have inserted चोट लग जाना. अगला phrase गोली लगना है. गोली मतलब bullet. So when you get injured by a bullet. डाकू को गोली लग गई. डाकू को गोली लग गई. That means the robber got shot or the robber got injured by a bullet. अगला phrase तीर लगना है. तीर लगना again to be injured but by an arrow. So तीर लगना. तीर is arrow and it's a masculine word. हिरन के पैर में तीर लग गया है. हिरन के पैर में तीर लग गया है. मतलब in the deer's leg the arrow has been shot or an arrow hit the deer's leg. अगला phrase या idiomatic expression अच्छा लगना है. अच्छा लगना मतलब to like. When something or somebody is liked by you or when that person or that thing seems genuine or even looks good, seems good, then you must use अच्छा लगना in your sentence. मेरा वाक्य है, मुझे वो लड़का काफी अच्छा लगता है. मुझे वो लड़का काफी अच्छा लगता है. इसका मतलब है that I, that boy, quite a lot like, which means that I like that boy quite a lot, or to say that I am quite interested in that boy. अगला एग्जाम्पल with the same phrase है, क्या आपको मेरे वीडियो देखना अच्छा लगता है? क्या आपको मेरे वीडियो देखना अच्छा लगता है? इसका मतलब है, do you like to watch or do you like watching my videos? अगला एक्सप्रेशन अच्छा लगना का उल्टा है. This expression is the opposite of अच्छा लगना and it's called बुरा लगना. If अच्छा लगना means to find something good, बुरा लगना means to find something bad. So when you think that something seems bad or somebody seems bad, somebody seems or looks bad, that is बुरा लगना. Or when you feel bad, that is also called बुरा लगना. Here I have an example with the latter meaning. मेरा sentence है, ऐसा मत बोलिए, उसे बुरा लगेगा. ऐसा मत बोलिए, उसे बुरा लगेगा. ऐसा मतलब like this. So don't speak or don't say like this. He or she will feel bad. और अगला expression सही लगना है. I've already discussed the word सही with you. सही का मतलब right या correct है. It can also mean genuine. And when sentences are spoken colloquially, then as a part of slang, sahi can mean great, fantastic, awesome and its synonyms. यहाँ मेरा सेंटेंस है, आपके ऊपर वो ड्रेस बहुत सही लग रही थी. आपके ऊपर वो ड्रेस बहुत सही लग रही थी. And that means on you, that dress was looking perfect, was looking fire, awesome. So you were looking good in that dress. और मेरा दूसरा वाक्य है, मुझे वो आदमी सही नहीं लग रहा है. मुझे वो आदमी सही नहीं लग रहा है. This means that that man is not looking genuine to me, or that man doesn't seem to be genuine or sincere to me, which can also mean that there's something fishy about that guy. Please grab this opportunity to frame any random sentences with these phrases that I'm teaching you. Frame your sentences and type in the comment section. I check the comment section regularly and I'll make sure that I give you the right feedback. If the sentence is incorrect, I'll correct them for you. But try and frame the sentences, because you're watching my videos, and watching the videos alone will definitely help you understand the sentence structure and know how to, frame the sentences properly, learn the grammatical aspects behind it. But watching alone is not going to help you improve. Speaking practice and a lot of speaking practice is going to help you improve. So please make sure you do that. If you don't have anybody around to speak with, or even somebody who can help you correct your sentences, please type them below. I'll check them for you. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. मैं आपसे अगली कक्षा में मिलती हूँ. अपना ध्यान रखिए.